In this video, I'll show you how to set up enhanced conversions in Google Ads. First, sign into your Google Ads account and click Goals from the left menu. Then, select Conversions and choose the conversion action you want to improve with Enhanced Conversions. Next, open the Conversion settings and look for the Enhanced Conversions section. Click Turn on Enhanced Conversions to begin the setup process. After that, choose how you want to collect conversion data. If you're using a website platform such as Shopify, Google Tag Manager, or another supported integration, you can often enable enhanced conversions with minimal setup. Now, follow the setup instructions provided by Google Ads. Enhanced conversions use customer information such as email addresses or phone numbers collected during checkout to improve conversion measurement while protecting user privacy. Next, save your settings and make sure your Google Tag or Google Tag Manager implementation is working correctly. After that, use Google's diagnostics tools to verify that enhanced conversions are being detected and processed properly. Once the setup is complete, allow some time for data to populate in your Google Ads account. You can then monitor your conversion reports to measure performance. Finally, review your reporting regularly to ensure enhanced conversions are helping improve attribution accuracy and campaign optimization. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up enhanced conversions in Google Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.